Hello, and welcome to a course in Advancing Statistical Analysis. Thank you for the opportunity to share knowledge of Monte Carlo simulation methods with you. Monte Carlo simulation is used to estimate various fundamental and technical objects which can be presented in a mathematical integral form, such as this one presented here. We shall see how this one came about to be in a moment, but first, let us look at the objectives of Monte Carlo simulation.
A Monte Carlo simulation can be used to estimate an outcome of a specified linear regression model. Such an outcome can be represented as a linear function of some specific parameters, say alpha and beta, relatable mathematically, as y equals alpha plus beta times x plus an error term, such that an error term is standardized and normally distributed. Importantly, x must be a real number. Y is an outcome function that links an output variable to an input variable. In practice, important questions are which values of estimates to expect, how often, and from where. In the next slide, we look at how Monte Carlo promises answers to these bottom-line questions. Technically, to estimate an outcome of a specified linear regression model, let alpha equal 0, so that an expected value of y for a given real x value is just a product of beta and x, as shown on this slide. Through standard integration methods, an unconditional expected value of an outcome can be represented as dot product function of beta squared and conditional density function of y given x. Now, by letting beta squared equal 1, the integration region is effectively restricted. In practice, as we shall see next, this further simplifies integral computations during simulation.
To estimate an outcome from any linear regression model, an integral form obtained above is useful. A Monte Carlo model estimate results from a random number generating process with serial steps from this very integral form. An initial step, simulate a real x value from a continuous uniform range between -1 and +1. This step is followed by a simulation of y when its density function is evaluated at a real value of x. I hope you will find my thoughts on Monte Carlo simulation useful. Please subscribe, like the video, and share with like-minded friends. See you next time.